Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today's just going to be a quick one. I found a really interesting fractal that lines up literally perfectly, and I kind of just want to show it to you real quick. Also, we did dip into this new CME gap area that I was saying earlier this morning. Posted a video, I don't know, 20 minutes before the market opened, and I said I am predicting that we're going to go down into this new CME gap that we just created, and we did do that. We still could potentially go to the bottom of this, so I don't think we're quite out of the water yet. I think it, depending on what Trump says in like an hour, when he releases that whatever his spending thing is that everyone's been talking about, depending on if it was bullish or bearish, if it has nothing to do with crypto, which could potentially happen, I think we'll dump right away, grab this liquidity, then maybe just hang out for a while. I don't know, but look at this very interesting fractal. So if I zoom out, we go over here and we just grab a fractal, which is, if you don't know what a fractal is, it's this tool right here. It's called the bars pattern on TradingView. If we grab this move, this is the last big cycle low, and then if we go all the way over to here, it generates this fractal for us. If we move this right over here, it weirdly lines up perfectly, like literally almost perfectly. I didn't even have to adjust the height of the bars or anything, but look at this. It matches wick to wick. Is that weird or what? Is that weird or what? Look at that. It literally matches the top wick almost perfectly and the bottom wick almost perfectly. So if we do that, and then zoom out, it's kind of interesting, right? So here's the top, here's the top. Interesting, very interesting. That would bring us up to about $140,000. Very interesting. This could definitely play out. And this would also, if we get good news, this afternoon from Trump, we could see a pump up to this high again, and then maybe just a retest down here. Now, this is a higher low. Higher low is perfectly bullish structure, no problem with it. The only thing that this does leave is the bottom of this CME gap here. So can I, no, I can't. Let's, Control Z, whatever I just did. Control Z. Oh, I just deleted it. No. Give me 1 sec. Okay, let's try that again. So let's just grab a bars pattern. We'll go from here to, I don't know, here, and then we'll drop this in here, same thing. Okay, so this actually does not fill the rest of the CME gap, but we don't have to fill it right away. So we could go up, go up, go up, go up, and then we could literally wait till, the end of 2025, and then we could catch this on the way down into the bear market, right? So if I zoom out even more, if we go to, I don't know, let's go here. We'll go Bitcoin on the log scale. Let me turn this off here. Oops. Let me turn the regress band off. So we'll still fill this even if we do this right here, right? So this will go take us back down to 68. 68. So we could even go all the way down to about 50K in the next bear market. So that will still fill that gap there. So, that is one other potential effect, but that's going to be pretty much it for the video. I guess I'll just talk real quick about Litecoin. I am trying to increase my position size on Litecoin. I do have an order. I guess I can just show you in Bitunix actually. So, we just picked up my first order that I talked about this morning on Bitunix on my Bitcoin trade. I have 2 more that I'm expecting to grab. Now, we don't have to grab them right now. And if we do just blast off, I'll just close those orders. But Litecoin as well, I have a big order down here by the 0.618 fib. So Litecoin's kind of breaking down. But if we do go and just show it on here, you can see it's not like a full-on breakdown or anything. We're still been kind of using this this wedge here, this bull flag basically. So you can see the bottom line, if we hit about 110, we're just going to touch the bottom of this and then probably move back up. We could just kind of go all the way to the end of this. It might be a while till we break out of here, or we could just go down. We could literally, if I draw something real quick, I can never find the brush tool. So I'm thinking maybe we just go down there, we go up here. I mean, we could just go like this. That's one option. We could also just go down and then blast right out, if Bitcoin blasts out like crazy. So I do have one more order, about 110 on my leverage trade for Litecoin. I'm still bullish on Litecoin. It unfortunately didn't get mentioned in the tweet from Trump. But anyways, and I'm happy I closed some of my position before it pulled back. Same thing with Bitcoin. As I said, I closed actually 25% of my position up here in the profit, and then I just picked up one of my orders below my cost basis, so I reduced my cost basis even more. Anyways, if you want to try out leverage trading on Bitunix, an amazing exchange, legal everywhere, use the link below, and we have an exclusive trading competition for BYDFi. They have a nice bonus on Bitunix. If you deposit a bunch of money, you get up to $5,500 depending on how much you deposit. So that's it for the video. Just want to make a quick one real quick and just kind of talk about that really interesting fractal. I was just playing around and I was like, wow, it's really interesting that this is literally wick to wick, almost identical as the last cycle low. And then this is weird because it also kind of correlates with the top of this channel, which is just kind of weird. I just thought it was interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.